In this video, I explain how to make more money online faster and easier using only free traffic. Stick with me and I'll share exactly what I do and how you can do the same even if you've never done anything online before. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full-time for more than 20 years now. Let me tell you a little about my number one recommended income stream. It is the business I've been building for over 4 years now. And it's not just about the money, but the time freedom too. See, it lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. And I do it all with 100% free traffic. This might be just right for you too. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So the key to making more money online is not just about promoting the right business. There are several to choose from, but promoting it the right way. And that means using the right marketing system. I'm always amazed at how many online marketers do not have the success that they'd hope for. They constantly spin their wheels, trying lousy marketing strategies that don't work. Way too many marketers even spend more money than they make. They waste a huge amount of money trying to generate traffic for their offer, buying crummy, overpriced leads or solo ads that just don't get the results. And it just doesn't need to be that way. Well, in my business, we only use free traffic strategies. And I've done it this way for years. It's been a big part of my success in making more money online. Looking back, mastering free traffic strategies is probably the number one thing that got me to where I could do this full time. In my business, we promote a powerful affiliate marketing opportunity with high demand products that pay out incredible commissions. Following our system, you can make money fast. Many new people make money their first day, and it pays out long-term passive income too. Imagine getting paid months from now for what you do today. Team up with us, copy what I do, and you can build a full-time income working as little as 30 minutes a day. And like I said, we do it all with free traffic. It's actually easier than you think. Here's how we do it. First, when you join our team, you'll get your own high-converting sales funnel, personalized to brand and promote you. Landing pages, sales pages, follow-up emails to send out, everything you need for massive success. You don't have to create anything. All of the techie stuff is done for you. And this is the first step in getting big results from free traffic. You have to send people to a good sales funnel rather than try to sell them directly. Then we help you select one of several proven strategies to start getting a volume of quality traffic to your landing page every day for free. Once you have good traffic, our system takes it from there. You will receive excellent training on exactly how to do this. I will be your personal mentor and coach. Nothing will be left to chance. To learn more about how to make more money online with free traffic and to start making money later today in my number one recommended income stream, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com.